Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and thank you so much for clicking on our video. Well, check this out. Flex released the draw rolling toolbox, the STACKPACK. Isn't that nice? I'll tell you, competition is heating up. This has an auto locking draw, so you don't have to worry about that opening on its own. It's got 9-inch rubber ruggedized wheels and a few more things. We're going to go ahead and take a close look at this. Let's go ahead and get this party started. Hi, it's Al from techmadeezy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. All right, guys, we're going to jump in and go over the pricing. I'll go over the specs and some key features, and then we're going to take a close look at this. So this is $199 at Lowe's, but be aware, it's going to be hard to find for a little while, all right? But keep your eye out. And this has oversized 9-inch all-terrain rubber wheels, real rubber. We'll take a good close look at that as well. The material this is made out of is an impact-resistant polypropylene body with an aluminum reinforced corners, and that's going to help with keeping this, really stable and strong in the long term, right? These bars right here to make it so that when you open and close your drawer, you don't have to worry about your box starting to kind of like go bad on you, okay? The weight capacity is a 250-pound weight capacity. The drawer, though, can hold 70 pounds in the drawer. All right, so obviously if you're stacking more boxes on top, that's where the 250-pound weight capacity comes from. Now, it's got steel ball bearing slides on the drawer. We'll take a close look at that. It's STACKPACK attachment ready, of course, right? And the handle's removable, so when you want to put this under your tonneau, truck bed or whatnot, you're going to have no issue doing that. We'll show you how that works. No IP rating. Just so you'll know, obviously there's no seals, so you don't want to leave this out in the weather. And the dimensions I'm going to put up on the screen. I'll put on exterior and interior dimensions right there on the screen for you. All right. And this has a 1-year warranty, but you need to register it within 30 days to get that warranty, so just be aware. So let's go ahead and do a close look. Now I'm going to start off in the front because obviously this is all about the drawer, right? As you can see here, this is reinforced on both sides. And that's going to help when you've got weight in the drawer. They're saying that it's actually going to help with the durability long term. Okay? You've got a locking point here. I wish it was steel reinforced, but it is not. So you do have a locking point here. The drawer locks, as soon as it's closed, it's locking, right? So you have to lift this up in order to open the drawer. I'm doing that with one hand, by the way. And I'm going to give you measurements in a moment on the inside of the drawer. So just give me a moment. I'm going to give you exact measurements so you know what you're dealing with. Now, I don't see, just so you'll know, I don't see a hump in here at all or anything, so that's good. So that's important because then you lose storage space. But we'll take a close look at that. But the, ball bearing, slides are really nice. Again, top and bottom. So they seem to do a good job on that. I like that. And the drawer does seem to open almost all the way, right? So you want to know, there it goes. Okay, so you pull a little bit more, and the drawer actually does open all the way. I like that. That's really important. And close this. Now, as you can see, it's got a clicking mechanism. So it is locked now with a slight push. So very important. So you don't have to worry about this thing opening up if you've got it on your truck bed. Okay. Obviously here is where they attach the STACKPACK components. All right. Let's look at the left side here, and you'll see these 9-inch wheels. And I'll tell you something, you know, these are real thick rubber tires. Now they're supposed to be non-marring, if I'm saying that right. So when you bring this inside a customer's home, they're not supposed to mark up the floor. And that's really key, okay? Going around, taking a good close look at the durability of the actual inside of the wheel, you could see that this is reinforced. So it's not a hollow, you know, wheel, and that's important. These are going to be holding that 250 pounds, especially when you're stacking things on top. Again, right side, very similar. I just figured I'd show you that. Obviously, these are made for your half toolboxes to kind of clip in. All right, so again, no IP rating. There's no seal on this. Now let me get you the measurements to the inside of the box in a moment. And before I do that, let me turn this upside down. I like giving you guys a really good look, especially when you're spending the money. So you can see here that these seem to be kind of a rubber. So again, trying to just kind of help you with the floors as you're putting this down in the floors. So I like that. This is all reinforced, right guys? This is really helping with the durability of the box, holding all that weight. All right, and we'll talk a little bit more about how these get released so you can pull your handle out. But let me get you the measurements for the interior of the box. So just double checking measurements here, right? So the interior width is 16.81 inches interior wise as far as the space you have. All right, the depth, let's see, I think we've got a little under 12 inches. 11.54 sounds right as far as that's concerned. And the height, we've got, if I could show you this here again on camera, you've got just a slight bit over 12 inches, 12.32 inches in height. All right, so hopefully that helped out. We're going to take a minute and take the handle off, but I want to tell you one thing I don't like is the mechanism they have here to release these little locks here in order to lift up the handle. They didn't make it easy, so I wish they would have done better. These are really hard to get at, all right? You have to have smaller hands because this has to be pulled out in order for the handle to be released. So let me see if I can do this on camera. All right, so I got this out, right? It has to pop this way. Again, this one too. All right, and not easy, really tight. I wish they would have made that easier. All right, and what happens now is this, obviously you're going to pull this down, lift up the handle. It's going to catch one more time, and then you pull it out again, and your handle comes out, right? And now you've got, again, room to take this and throw this in your truck bed. Now I'll go ahead and put the measurements up one more time so you could see what it is with the handle removed on the height. So 19.67 inches in height with the handle removed. Now locking these back, again, you just push these in. That's easy. It's just getting them out that's a little difficult. Taking a close look at the handle, you do have a nice rubberized handle with a little bit of grip here on the bottom. All right, let me show you the grip there so you can see the grip pattern. So not bad, not bad. Nice solid closed sides. Some manufacturers leave the sides open, but there you go. All right, guys, so I would say the only thing I don't like is the way the locks open to remove the handle. That would be the only thing I don't like. Otherwise, seems made pretty well. This is more of a first impression, obviously, but I wanted to show it to you since it just came out. And I hope the video helped you in some way. If it did, give us a thumbs up. We'd greatly appreciate it. By the way, share our video with your friends and your family. I'll go ahead and put our social media right up top if you want to follow us on social media. And if you do, send us a message, say hi. And you can check out our new Tesla channel in the upper right-hand corner on YouTube. And I'll put a video here on the right-hand side if you want to check out another video if you have time. And if you want to subscribe to Tech Made Easy, I'm going to put a round Tech Made Easy logo right there. Click on that, and you'll be able to subscribe and join the family. Guys, thanks so much. Have a great day.